Yes guys, Ace of Cars back at it. Won this car on auction. Now the car's at the garage. Here's what it's looking like. We're just going over the damage. Just getting a little insight on what really needs to be repaired. Yeah, with this car I'm seeing we need the whole front end. We need the slam panel, rad pack, front bumper. We also need the front grille with the sign. We need to get plates. Yeah, the whole front end needs a repair. Here we got some modification work going on. There's no negotiation here. We got to modify. Here we got the doors getting ready for paint. Yeah, we went over the car, making sure we don't miss anything. Because you know, with cars, you just got to be careful, as there could be just some minor scuff, minor damage. So we're just making sure everything's repaired. This is the front, looking good. Just need to put the headlight on. Door's been painted, and also the bumper has been painted. This is the inside, the interior of the car. Car's not going to be clean right now as it's still in the garage. However, when it's done, you're going to see how clean it looks. Ready for the customer, ready for sale. It's going to be brand new. So if you want it, let us know. Or any car, if you're selling or buying a car, let us know. Ace of Cars, got it all. Back to the garage. We got the ring up from AutoFix. The car's ready. As you can see, it's looking fresh. So yeah, this is the car. Volkswagen Polo. Ace of Cars special. It's a manual. It's an R-Line. If you guys are interested, let us know. But yeah, here's a car. Cleaned. Repaired. TT for the customer. You know we don't play around. Look at that. 10 out of 10.